Hey there, what's up? Hope the things are going good on your side. Well, I have a good news to share with you all. Heard of RPA, right? The robotic process automation. Like the robots are going to take our jobs, and everywhere these robots will work by replacing us and making us jobless. Also, with the current COVID crisis, every company and including our companies are thinking of getting the automation onboarded so that they can reduce some cost, right? And also we are hearing a lot more technical implementations and advancements happening in and around the areas of artificial intelligence, machine learning, internet of things and all. Well, all this is happening, and as a chartered accountants we need to get updated with all these technology concepts to stay ahead of the crowd. But where do we find such resources? How we can understand them better? Maybe we can find them in the Google, right? Well, let me give it a try. Oops, if I Google it, that's more a tech stuff and we are not able to grab anything to understand and upskill ourselves. As we are from finance background, understanding the technology content is something difficult. Well, what's the alternative? And don't worry, I'm here to help. Myself Prem Khasi, I'm a chartered accountant, company secretary, RPA and fintech enthusiast. I have worked on RPA domain in Bahrain where we implemented the digital workforce in finance and accounts areas. With that experience and hands-on exposure, I wish I could share my views and experiences and knowledge on RPA to our CA community. So I have created a complete course on RPA, or the robotics in finance and accounts domains, for finance professionals. Any chartered accountant, any cost accountant, any company secretaries, MBAs or any technology enthusiast can check out this course, and here is my course that covers the following. The course will be having 25 plus videos, and the first video will be on a brief introduction to the course and a brief introduction about myself, followed by what exactly is RPA, why RPA is required, what are the benefits that each stakeholder will get once RPA is implemented in a company, how to select a process for RPA, the entire RPA journey in a typical company, the 3 rules of RPAs, the myths or misconceptions with respect to robotic process automations, what are the various types of bots and the various types of automation models, what are the challenges we might come across when we are implementing RPA projects in our companies. Now, talking about the use cases in our domain, we'll be covering the use cases in finance, HR, audit and taxation domains. Now, moving on to some other technology related stuff, we'll be understanding what exactly is artificial intelligence, what is machine learning, and what is the difference between the RPA, artificial intelligence and machine learning. And next, we'll be discussing what exactly is called hyperautomation, what are the various RPA tools that are currently available in the market, a brief comparison between top 3 RPA players, the so-called UiPath, Blue Prism and Automation Anywhere. And the next comes the most important and interesting thing, what is the role of chartered accountants in this RPA domain. And also we have sessions where we will be understanding the other technologies that work hand in hand with the RPA, the so-called optical character recognition, natural language processing, deep learning, big data, application programming interfaces like the so-called APIs, screen scraping, and all this stuff we'll be discussing together. And the content of this course is just exhaustive, and I'll keep on adding more and more relevant stuff and the relevant concepts going ahead. Please do check the course and upskill yourself in this technology driven era. And I have discussed all these concepts in simple and easy terms so that we can grab the most out of it. Thank you. Stay updated, stay chartered. Signing off.